All right, it is 25 minutes before the open on July 22nd. I'm going to go ahead and take you through my pre-market analysis, and this is what I do every single day, right around a half an hour before market open on the NASDAQ. So the first thing I want to do is plot out my daily bias. So for that, we're right here on the daily chart. I go back to the last 2 days. As you can see, we broke the previous day high from 2 days ago, and yesterday we're bullish. Overnight we have retraced into it. So because we closed over the previous day high, I'm bullish on the day. Now, something that we can see on the daily chart is that we moved into this inefficiency right here, had an immediate rejection and retraced. I'm still bullish even though we moved bearish overnight. That's pretty normal to see. I want to see it retrace, roughly 50% into discount and then keep heading up for more prices. So my bias is definitely still bullish. And if it wasn't before, it is even more so now. Now on to the 15-minute. This is where I like to place my points of interest. So what I will do is I will go into yesterday's and the overnight session and I want to place the highs and the lows for the previous day and the overnight sessions. These are going to be the points that I'm looking for reactions. And there you have it. So looking at the 15-minute chart from the overnight and the previous day from 2 days ago, we had traded up into that inefficiency on the daily. We then had a retracement back into discount, tapping into this inefficiency, which just means an area for more orders to step in. It doesn't mean that we're going to automatically shoot up from here. It's just something to gain a little bit of notice. Prices expand and then retrace back into that expansion, expand, leg back. It's just how the market works. But we did get a bit of a reaction of that. And then of course, showing sellers stepping back in at the previous day low. And this is why I like to mark these levels and I like to trade from these levels, because this is obvious turning points in the previous day and overnight sessions where the oppositions have stepped in. This is a perfect point for people and institutions to add to their positions or get out of their positions, giving an expansive move from these points of interest. So today's game plan is looking for bullish pricing. I want to either see price come back down to this overnight low, possibly sweep it, get an expansive move off of it with the retracement. If that's not the case, we'll look for a break and retest of the previous day low. First target being the overnight high, then previous day high, and seeing if we can get a break and retest of that level to see higher prices.